Hello Xsens user, I'm going to show you how to import into 3D Studio Max. Open your recording, then go to File, Export, Export File. Now you can choose the output path and rename your output file. Make sure you select BVH in Exporter. Then press Show Options. Make sure Output Preset is 3D Studio Max. Everything looks good, then press Export. Now the BVH file is exported. Here is 3D Studio Max. I'm going to show you importing BVH and applying to your character. First, go to Create Panel. Choose System. Make sure you are in the Standard. Then press Biped. To create Biped, just drag and drop in the viewport. Select your biped, go to the Motion panel. Open Motion Capture Rollout. Press Load Motion Capture File. Set the file type as BVH. Then select the file I just exported from MVN. In this window, make sure you are choosing point in knee and elbow. Then press OK. Now you can see the motion capture data is loaded into the biped. I'm going to save this motion data in bip file, so keep selecting this biped, go to Motion panel, under Biped Rollout, press Save File. Make sure the file type is bip, then press Save. I've just opened my character. The rigging of this character is also biped. Here, I'm going to load bip file into this character. Select this character's biped, then go to Motion panel. Open Biped Rollout. Press Load File. Select the bip file I've just saved. Now your character has motion data and is running fine. This is the basic workflow of importing into 3D Studio Max. Thank you for watching.